Welcome back to our channel. Today we're looking into the fascinating world of robotic finger prosthetics, a blend of cutting-edge technology and human ingenuity that's transforming lives. Let's explore how these devices work and their incredible benefits. The evolution of prosthetic fingers. Robotic finger prosthetics have come a long way from their humble beginnings. Initially designed as aesthetic replacements, these devices now feature advanced technology like 3D printing and machine learning. These devices not only enhance dexterity but also provide users with sensory feedback, making the prosthetics feel more natural. Key components that make it work. Every robotic finger is powered by intricate components. Actuation systems enable movement, sensors provide essential feedback about the environment, and intuitive control systems use signals from the user's own body to operate the fingers. It's these technologies that help users achieve movements that closely emulate natural hand functions. Real-life applications and everyday benefits. Imagine regaining the ability to perform daily tasks with ease, from typing to playing musical instruments, or simply shaking hands. Robotic prosthetics don't just restore function, they enhance the user's quality of life, providing the freedom to interact more fully with the world around them. Overcoming challenges for a brighter future. Despite their benefits, challenges like high costs and the need for regular maintenance pose barriers. However, ongoing advancements promise to reduce costs and improve durability. The future is bright as researchers continue to push the boundaries, making these prosthetics more accessible and even more intuitive. As we've seen, the field of robotic finger prosthetics is rich with innovation and potential. For many, these devices represent more than technological marvels. They are keys to a more independent and fulfilling life. Curious to learn more about the incredible world of prosthetics? Visit isbrave.com, your ultimate resource for all things prosthetic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our updates. See you in the next video.